everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video I'm going to discuss about the area of the surface of revolution. So let's start. A surface of revolution is a form when a curve is rotated about the line, such as a surface of lateral boundary of the solid of revolution. We want to define the area of the surface of revolution in such a way that is corresponding to our institution. If the surface area is A, we can imagine that the painting of the surface would require the same amount of the paint as does a flat region with the area. So here are the formulas that we will need to use. First is rotating about y-axis, given the functions of y is equal f of x from a to b. So the formula is the integrations of 2 phi x, the square root of 1 plus dy over dx squared dx from a to b. So the second formula is rotating about y-axis, given the functions of x, gy, c from 2d. So the formula is the integrations of 2 pi gy, the integrations square root of y plus dy squared dy from d to c. So this is the graph of first formulas. So this graph, and the second graph is this one. So here an example that we must understand. And so find the area of the surface obtained by rotating the curve from y is equal to 4x squared from negative 1 to 1 and x-axis. So we are using the a to b. So the integrations of 2 pi f of x 1 plus dy dx square dx. So we need to solve the dy over dx. So the y will be the square root of 4x square root of 4x minus x squared. So we have dy over dx is equal 4 minus x squared 1 over 2. So we are derive it. So we have negative x over square root of 4x x squared. Then based in here, this one is they are square. So we're going to square here to find the dy and dx. So we have dy over dx squared. So the negative x is equal and over square root of 4x minus square. Then let's plug into the formula. So we have our the integrations of 2 phi. So the f of x will be y is equal to square root of 4 minus x squared. So this one, and the square root of 1 plus will be the dy dx is square root of over 4 minus x squared dx. So this is will be the graph. The graph will be from a to b. So this will be the graph. And then we have, so the first will be the 4x and x squared. The square root will be factor. So we have 4 minus x squared 1 for x squared. Then we need to divide by 1. So we need to divide by 1. So cancel this one and cancel. So cancel this one. So we have 4 is equal x squared plus x squared. So that's 1. So our SA will be is equal r 2 pi. So the integrations will be 4. So the square root of whole dx. Then so it is equal 2 pi. So the square root of 4 will be 2. So dx from 1 negative 1. Then SA is equal 2 pi to x will be multiply will be 4 pi. So we have the integrations of from 1 to negative 1. So the SA will be equal 4 pi. So from substitute, I distribute by the upper limit, and lower limit will be 1 and negative 1. So will be 1 negative and negative 1 will be 2. So 2 times will be 8. So the answer is 8 pi. So that's all. Hope you understand, and God bless.